Connor. Hey, Connor.
Mama's killing me. Oh. Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
I do.
Big yawn.
Christmas present over there.
Oh, there's a hole. Look, there's a hole. Open that.
I'm just gonna leave.
Yeah, there you go.
We'll have the porter.
Here, let Daddy do it.
The coolie.
Ooh, that. No.
I'm supposed to.
Ooh, look at that. There you go. You got the hang of it. Got it.
Daddy, I got your arm.
Right. You switched on me.
Yeah, I said I didn't want him all over.
Aww.
Well, if you take a bath, you know.
Look at him. Here. Throw that at him, Grandma. Throw it at him.
Go, Daddy. Let me taste this paper.
I'm safe.
Sign her up as Gannon's replacement.
There you go.
Actually, Gannon's on my fantasy football team.
Then you're doing good.
No, I'm not. I'm dead last.
Gosh.
Wow.
Moving parts on that thing.
You know, my team.
Wow, huh?
And I've been-
Yeah.
You must not have had anybody else.
I have my wide receivers were Yancey Thigpen, who got hurt. Second wide receiver was
Merry Christmas,
Hakeem
Connor.
from St. Louis.
Merry Christmas.
And my
Thank
third wide
you,
receiver
Angel.
was Carolina.
Merry Christmas.
He did well toward the end of the season. Running backs, I had Dorsey Levens.
Yay.
I had Dorsey Levens and Curtis Martin.
No.
No.
My kicker was Chris Jackie. My defense was the Cardinals.
Remember when the poodles used to open presents?
Oh yeah, it's great.
There.
You remember that, Angel, or you were little?
I remember stories of it. I don't know if I ever actually witnessed it.
And just get a little tear started and tell them they could do it.
He's going for this other present in the paper on the floor.
We're keeping the presents wrapped
Oh.
before Christmas.
Look at this. Look at this. It's a walker.
I want that paper, Daddy.
Right.
He wanted one of those.
Yay!
I don't know how much assembly is required.
Yay!
Cool.
Don't put your shoe down, Matthew.
Yahoo!
Connor. Look.
There, John. I can't get him from here. It's going.
Yellow stone effect here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we're talking.
That's cool.
Woohoo!
You can walk with it?
Connor, look!
Ta-da! Oh, boy.
Yahoo! That's pretty neat.
Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you,
Whoa!
Go forward.
Oh, look at him! Hi, sweetie!
There you go.
Yay!
There you go.
Whoa!
A stopper, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think so. We'll find out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Perfect! Good
There you go.
catch, Grandma! Yay!
Bro. Connor, do a loop. Oh boy. There.
Hey, Connor. Hey, buddy.
That was cute.
Well, I think it's my turn again. Here you go, JD.
Grandma?
Grandma.
Grandma?
To get things for me.
It sort of look like Grandma.
I wasn't supposed to be here.
Here you go.
Whoa.
Kaboom.
One more forward.
Kaboom. Kaboom. Whoa.
I've been attacked by my walker.
Very nice.
Wow.
That's cool.
Mr. Traveler.
Yeah.
Turn
yeah.
around so I can see. Cool.
Oh,
Backseat
cool.
Organizer.
Cool.
For my favorite backseat driver. Except she sits in the front seat and she's a backseat driver. That's cool.
Cool,
Yeah, 'cause
Mom. That's nice.
the place for the maps.
Oh, I'm gonna lose battery
Diet
here.
Dr. Pepper. So
That's
we'll
right.
be rolling all over the
Okay,
place.
say goodbye, Connor.
Clever boy.
Very neat.
Where you going? Where you going?
How cute.
What?
Hey, John,
What?
don't you have a Christmas bag in there?
I think I do. I don't know if he's already got one of these, so if he does, take it back.
Whoa.
He just might.
Hi. That's not for you.
And if he does, I'm sure it's probably not the right size.
That's not for you.
Oh, gosh.
Look at what Uncle John got you.
Connor, that's for you. Yeah, that's for you.
I actually bought one of those last year. They should have gotten the photographic like that.
I think it's probably gonna be a little big.
Yes, definitely.
I don't know, Chuck. I think he fits.
You can swim in it.
It's all right. Uncle,
Hey, he's gonna grow.
There you go.
that's right.
Look at those arms.
I love it.
Hold on, I gotta get my turn.
I love it.
Yeah,
It's never too young to start.
Even there, I can get my
What are you talking about?
Mommy's laughing.
Coming through, Matthew.
Oh, you're gonna take a
Yep.
picture?
Yeah.
Hey, taking a picture. Start the medium.
Hey, Connor.
Hey.
Hi, buddy.
Connor!
Hey, Connor.
Connor!
Look
Hey.
at Angel.
Connor!
Look at here.
Hey! Connor! You look so cute! Oh, there he's looking at me, Connor! Hey! Annie,
Thank you,
just
John.
looking at you! Yay!
He's just sitting there like, okay.
And now my camera will work.
It's really cool.
Okay.
Dude, let me
That's
sit
okay. I'll
down.
give you a copy, Mom.
I got one.
Don't sweat the size thing. He will grow into it.
Yeah.
Yep.
It was the smallest size they had, and I figured, well, if he's got one now, he probably doesn't have one for a couple years down the road.
Yeah.
That's cute.
Thank you, Uncle John.
Yeah.
I mean, you got left.
Which one? Yeah.
What happened to my focus?
Love this stuff. Cool water. Thank you.
You're all blurry.
Is it focusing on the
Yeah.
presents? Did you have her in the center?
Yeah.
Not for women.
No. It's a little strong.
Full auto?
Every time you use it, I have to wait
Yeah,
an hour to go
that's-
back up behind
That's
it.
great.
Thank
Even
you.
with
Thank
full
you.
auto,
I
it's
wanted
Oh,
some more
okay,
of
now
this.
it's okay. Just didn't want to focus on Angel, I guess. Here, let's try this again.
Oh, cool. That's pretty. I just love that bottle.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
They needed to make that a little heavier.
Oh,
Lucky me. Is it my turn to give away presents?
It certainly is.
I
I think I'm
really.
gonna give away all three of mine all at once.
All at once?
All at once.
You got it.
But you gotta open up the top one first.
Okay, no.